you'll be fully awake, fully alert, and ready to continue with your day. So we take the first step, step 5, just beginning to feel a little more normal.
I have to get some new glasses there. I went and got them checked. I need a new prescription. They gave me a new prescription. Oh, look at this. We got cops everywhere. You're at 50?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Obviously, this guy's not here, right here beside us.
Yeah.
It's a 50 zone. He's following distance here.
And a little more awake and alert. Stepping up to number 4, starting to become aware of the sounds around you in the outside world. Step 3, starting to feel even more awake and alert. Up to step 2, imagine there's clear mountain water washing out your eyes.
Has anyone gotten 100 on the drive test?
No.
No?
No. That's,
Like never?
no. Like the real drive test, you mean? Not the mock road test,
Yeah.
the one that we did?
Like the real?
The real one? Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, some people do get 100 if the examiner's in a good mood or something, you know.
Yeah.
It's very, very rare. I wouldn't be surprised if you got 100 there. All you have to do is just make sure you turn the wheels, straighten the wheels out before you leave the side of the road. And practice your backing into space between two lines.
Yeah.
I know you're just fine between two cars, no problem. Yeah, you'll probably get 100. It's not likely they'll ask you to do, if you're going in April, it's not likely they'll ask you to do any parallel parking. There's still snow.
And as you go to step 1, eyes open, feeling fully alert, fully awake, and back to normal.
I'm predicting we're going to get hit with major snowstorms in January and February.
Huh.
And probably March. And we'll probably have an extended winter. Might go,
May?
might see it start, yeah, May. I've even seen this kind of thing happen where there was still frost in the ground June 1st.
Wow.
Might just be a late winter.
Yeah. And I was surprised when I came here. I was like, what? I'm not used to this at all.
With your driving test nerves gone. So I hope you've enjoyed this experience.
This is not your first winter here, though, eh?
No, I've been here for like 3 or 4 years.
Yeah.
And feel free to listen to this track as many times as you would like. This will reinforce the positive messages in this track. So I'll leave you now to enjoy your time, as my voice will soon leave you and the music slowly fades. I'll talk to you again soon. Goodbye.